Meaning of effete.
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 Effete. The term effete is used to describe something that has become weak, ineffectual, or exhausted due to overuse or lack of vitality. It can also refer to someone who is perceived as lacking in strength or masculinity. The result of something being effete is typically a decline in effectiveness or usefulness, as well as a loss of vigor or vitality. In some cases, the term may also imply a sense of decadence or decay, particularly when referring to cultural or social institutions that are seen as outdated or irrelevant.